In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Cloudflare API key. We'll be doing this directly from your Cloudflare DAO dashboard, and the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In Cloudflare, what you'll typically create is an API token, which is a more secure and flexible way to grant access than using broader account credentials. As you go through this, make sure you're signed in to the correct Cloudflare account before creating anything. Start by going to your Cloudflare account homepage. Once the dashboard loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you'll see several options related to your personal and account settings. From that menu, click on Profile. This will take you to your profile area where Cloudflare stores settings related to access, security, and authentication. On the profile page, find and click on AP tokens. This is the section where you can manage existing tokens and create new ones for specific use cases. Once you're on the API tokens page, click on Create Token. Cloudflare will then show you a list of token templates that are designed for common tasks. To continue, click. Get started on the template that best matches what you need. If you're following instructions from another platform or integration, choose the template that fits those required permissions. Next, define your token name, permissions, and the specific resource scope. This is an important part of the setup because it determines exactly what the token can access and which zones, accounts, or resources it applies to. Give the token a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Then carefully assign only the permissions you actually need. As a best practice, avoid granting broader access than necessary. Limiting the scope helps keep your account more secure and makes token management easier over time. After you've reviewed those settings, click Continue to Summary. This gives you a final chance to verify the token name, permissions, and scope before creating it. Take a moment here to double check everything, especially if the token will be used in an app, script, or third-party service. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click Create Token. Cloudflare will generate the token for you. At this point, be sure to copy and store it somewhere secure because you may not be able to view the full value again later. Keep it private and never share it publicly or paste it into unsecured documents. And that's how to get a Cloudflare API key, or more accurately, a Cloudflare API token.